Welcome another new tutorial. In this video today I will show you how to set up a AI powered features for generating listing titles and details during submission. Watch how AI simplifies content creation and enhance the user experience. Firstly, go to the classified listing, then settings. Find AI integration. This is the interface of AI integration settings. Now set your AI tools as Google Gemini from these given options. Then set the maximum character limit for the prompt input. If you select Google Gemini, you need to integrate with this. Also need to obtain an API key from Google Cloud. Visit this link to generate one. Please follow documentation for the API settings. Now go back to the settings and then save your changes. And then go to the form builder. From this form list, you can edit and customize as per your requirement. So click on it. This is the interface of your submission form. Now we will see how to enable AI integration for a specific field. Click on this option to enable AI integration. Now for the description, click on this option to edit. Click this option to enable your AI integration. Now this form is successfully updated. Here our title and description is listed for AI integration. If you click on this, several prompts will be displayed as suggestion. You can also describe what you want to generate for your description. Same for your title. You just need to provide some suggestion for this. After providing, click on generate content and it will instantly show you the title according to your prompts. Then click on use content. Furthermore, if you want, you can again edit your title as per your preference. Similar customization for the description. This is how you actually enable AI integration to generate your content for classified listing. Thanks for watching.